So, welcome everyone to the final lesson of crypto futures trading from basic to advanced, powered by Bitmart. And I want to say congratulations to all of you as you have made this far. And believe me, guys, now you are fully ready to start your crypto futures trading journey. So, in order to start, I hope you have already downloaded the Bitmart futures platform. But if you haven't yet, just download the Bitmart futures platform from the link given in my description and start your journey. But before that, let's complete this lesson and let's seal this futures trading course. So let's quickly start with the introduction of the content, like what we are going to learn in this lesson. So we will be having a recap of all the three previous lessons. So if you have missed anything in the previous three lessons, you will get it here. We will also talk about more about the Bitmart Futures platform and clap for Bitmart Futures platform as they have made this course possible. Now we will also talk about few more indicators that will help you to make your crypto futures trading journey more smooth and your trades more accurate. We will also talk about what is emotional trading and how to control it and why we should avoid emotional trading. And in the end, I will talk about few things that you should always keep in mind while trading in crypto futures. So hello and welcome everyone. You are watching Help with Penny or मेरा नाम है श्रेयस पांडे. Thanks for joining in and see you on the other side. Let's start this final lesson and let's start the recap of the all three previous lessons that what we had learned in the past three lessons. So crypto futures trading is trading of contracts and agreements where two parties actually sign a contract that they are going to buy any asset on any certain time and will sell that asset in any future time or vice versa. Now let's start. I have made some points, like let's read these points and try to understand what does this mean. So in crypto futures trading, contracts are traded, while in spot market trading, coins are traded. In crypto futures trading, there is no trading between real coins. Means crypto coins do not move between two wallets in crypto futures trading. Only the contracts are signed. Now what does this means? So in crypto futures trading, we can either long the market or short the market. In crypto futures trading, it is not like we are buying the coin or selling the coin. Either we can long the market or short the market. Now what is the difference between longing and shorting and what does this actually mean? So long means that we are willing to buy any asset on the current time at which we want to long the market and we believe that the market will go up. Now at the same time, what does short means? When we click on short in the crypto futures market, it means that we are selling that crypto asset at the current price and we will purchase later on any cheaper price. Now how this happens, like this is basically due to contracts that you want to sell the asset at the current price, that's why you are shorting the market. Now as you can see on the right hand side, this is the Bitmart futures platform UI on the mobile phone. So you will find this the pair. From here you can select the pair, that which pair you actually want. You can select BTC, USDT, and a lot of pairs are traded on the Bitmart futures platform. From here you can select like whether you want isolated trade or you want cross trade. I have already told the difference between isolated and cross, but just for the recap, isolated means the only amount that you will be trading, that suppose if you have $50 and you want to take a trade of $10, then only $10 will be inside the trade and remaining $40 will be safe in your wallet. But if you are taking cross trade in the cross margin mode, then your full wallet balance will be inside the trade. So this is the difference between isolated and cross. So this is how you can you will see the Bitmart futures trading platform on the mobile app device. Now as soon as you click on the short, what will happen? That means that you are willing to sell that asset at that current price and you will purchase it later. Now what will happen? Suppose if the market goes in the opposite direction. Suppose if you have shorted the market and the market goes up, means the price of that particular asset appreciates. So what will happen? You will start getting loss. But at the same time, suppose if you have shorted the market and the price of Bitcoin or any particular asset that you have shorted is start coming to down, so you will gain. But eventually if the trade goes against, means not in your favor, so what will happen? If you are not using stop loss, then your trade will get liquidated. Now what does this liquidation means? Liquidation means that your whole money will wipe out whatsoever is inside the trade. But now if you are using the trade in the cross margin mode, then every single dollar that is inside your wallet will be wiped out. Till then the trade will remain open. But if you are using the trade in the isolated mode, then only the amount of dollars that you have taken inside the trade will only wipe out if you are not using stop loss. So it is always recommended to use stop loss, because it is just like if you are not using a stop loss, you are losing money if the trade doesn't goes well in your direction or in your favor. Now let's talk more about the Bitmart futures platform and Bitmart platform itself. So Bitmart is a global cryptocurrency exchange, and it is one of the largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchange. It has more than 950 plus tokens listed that you can go and trade in different markets. It has 1000 plus trading pairs that you can trade, $2.5 billion average daily trading volume, and more than 1 trillion has been traded on the platform. More than 180 countries, that means around all the countries. In all the countries you can use, where it is not banned, where crypto is not illegal, you can use the Bitmart futures platform. More than 9 million registered users, 7 million monthly visits, and 476,000 Twitter followers, 150,000 Telegram members. And you can see the user distribution also here, that the 43% of the total users are from North and South America, 39% from Asia, and 10% from Europe. So Bitmart is one of the largest and most trusted global cryptocurrency exchange, and that's why they are supporting this big cause of educating a lot of people around the world, so that more and more people can get aware and educated and can start their trading journey. Now, this is the Bitmart Futures user interface that you will be you seeing watching on the mobile phone when you will open mobile phone. So from here you can, as I have already told, how you can open long and short. From this slider you can use the how much amount of the wallet you want to start the trade. You can take market order or you can take limit order. I hope you know the difference between. So in limit order, if you want to open a trade at any certain limit or any certain amount, like current price of Bitcoin is 19,100 and you want to buy the Bitcoin at 19,000, so you can open a limit order at 19,000. But at market order, what will happen? The current price of the Bitcoin, the trade will open at the current price. Now if you want to see the chart in the futures market, you need to click here on this chart button, and as you will click here, this particular chart will open. So this is a Bitmart futures user interface that I wanted to show you, so that if you are feeling anything like from where to find this particular thing or from where to find any particular thing, now you know that how to find. Now let's move to the web app of the Bitmart futures platform, and let's learn more about few indicators. Now here we are on the bitmart.com website, and now let's open the futures trading platform. So you need to come on the bitmart.com, sign in, log in. If you haven't created an account yet, just go and create one from the link in the description. And after creating the account, click on the futures, click on USDM, because we always use USDT as a collateral for trading crypto futures. Now after here you will come, let's talk about one more indicator that we should use while taking our trades, because that will make our trade more accurate. Now as I have already told about two EMAs like EMA 30 and EMA 15, and you have all seen how those EMA works and how accurate they are. Now let's talk about one more here, stochastic RSI indicator. Now click on this stochastic RSI and also click on our EMAs. So click on EMAs twice. So what will happen? Two EMA will come, and I know that you all know how to use this indicator because I have told you. Now click on the style, just select any color and make the line thicker so that it will be easier for us to look out for. Make the second EMA input 15, and let's make the color bit purplish and make the line much thicker. Now as you can see, now we are using one more indicator that is called as stochastic RSI. Now what will happen? So as you know, when in case of EMA 15 and EMA 30, what happens? Whenever the line EMA 15 line crosses the EMA 30 line below and a red candle is formed, that means it is a time for a market short. And when the EMA 15 line crosses the EMA 30 line and a green candle is formed, it means it's time for the market to long. Now, how to double confirm it? So, as I have told you earlier, that how you can double confirm, you can check the chart at 30 minutes, that what EMA is doing at 30 minutes, as well as on the 1 minute time frame to get a double confirmation. Now it's time for to get a triple confirmation, that what we need to do. So, as you can see here, so this is for three regions: 0 region, 40 to 80 region, and above 80 region is the in the stochastic RSI indicator. So whenever the stochastic RSI means both these line, the red and blue line is in the 80 zone region, means where it is above 80. So this is a region where from where you can open a short position. So as you can see, the market fell from here. Okay, as well as when it goes below this 40 line region, from here you can get a good long position. As you can see, it is a long position. You can see a green candle is formed here. So this is how you can take triple confirmation using both of these indicators, EMA 1530 as well as stochastic RSI, and that this will help you to get better trade accuracy in when trading in crypto futures. Now let's talk about what is emotional trading and why we shouldn't do emotional trading. So emotional trading is just related to emotion. Suppose your friends comes and says, okay bro, let's purchase this because I am purchasing. Never do that. Always do your own research. It is all about research. Whatever you have learned this far, tell your friend also that, bro, you also do your own research. Because what happens in emotional trading, that somebody comes and tells you that, okay, purchase it, you purchase it, and then you face loss. So it is always recommended to do your own research and never purchase or never enter, take any position inside the market just because you are emotional and your friend told you that, okay, bro, please take this trade and you will get profits. So always do the own research, always check the charts, always check with the indicators that what indicators are showing, and then only take the trade. Also one more thing, that always try to do your own research. Do not go and join any signals channel or something like that, because what happen in the end, maybe someday that signal channel will stop. So what will happen, you haven't learned anything, and if you haven't learned anything, you are now like a handicap and you cannot take your own trades. So always learn that how to actually take the trades, and how to actually read the market, how to use the indicators and everything. So this was all about this course, and this marks the end of this course. Now one few more things, like what you always need to remember, like if you are having a big chunk of money, suppose $1,000, $10,000, so do not take much leverage. If you are trading with big amount, use less leverage, like 3x, 4x, 5x. If you are having less amount and you want to do the scalping, like if you got like perfect that the EMA 15 crossed EMA 30, red candles are formed, and the stochastic RSI is also showing that it's good time to short the market, then you can go with a higher leverage and with a lower amount, so that you can quickly generate some profit. And never take more than 5 or 10 trades in a day. And if you are not trading in the market, do not also look at the market, because if you will be looking at the market will invite you to come and trade, and this is where the huge losses happens. So always, if you are getting 4 to 5 trades good in a day, just leave the market for that day and trade the next day. So this is the few things that you should always keep in mind. Now always use the stop loss. So now how to understand why we should use stop loss. So stop loss is like high risk high reward thing and risk to reward ratio thing. Suppose if you think that you can earn $2 and you can bet $1 for that, so it is just similar to that. So you should always use stop loss to the half of the amount that you are expecting as a profit. So if you are expecting profit, if you have long the market and you are expecting that you will get $2, so you should use $1 as a stop loss, so that if you are getting $1 as a loss, just use a stop loss and exit from the market. So this is all the things that you must remember while you are trading in crypto futures. And this marks the end of this course. I hope that you all learned a lot of things, and hope to see you start your journey. And always share your ROI card. I will provide the Bitmart's community link in the description. Share your ROI card there, that what profit you have made, or which trade gone in loss or against you. I really don't want that any of your trades go in loss, and share your things so that we also can learn from each other. So this was all about this course. I hope you all loved it. Do drop the comments if you have any queries, and please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends so that they can also learn about crypto futures trading. So this was all about signing out. Shreyash Pandey.